Hi, this challenge is about creating referrals for a company that is the standard account object. I have given a complete description how to deploy the application in the deployment manual. So I am going directly to the application. Now you can see the account detail page. I have added one button called refer in the detail page. I am clicking it now. Now you can see the refer page. Please notice the page is coming like the wireframe given. Logical section for company, form, to and send. I have created the links to go directly to the sections. I have given the type ahead functionality for correct search and company search. I will show one by one. You can see the company suggestion is coming. As soon I select any company, the option to add it will appear. I am not adding it directly because I want to give an user an option to verify the record before addition. All the company details are coming as per the wireframe given. Now I will do the same for company. Please note for contact type ahead is based on name. If you want to search by email, please click the search button. You can remove any company or contact you already added. Please note you are not allowed to delete the company from which you are coming from. Now you can see the form section which is current user along with the space to given the CC addresses. Now you can see the to section which is for adding contacts. Now you can see the send section. The section is same like the wireframe given the default values are coming from the custom level. As we are not using template not allow sending email in CC which is highly required for this piece of assignment. You can see the wireframe is similar to the given wireframe. The help is also added for the fields like wireframe given. Instead of buttons, I have used images for better look and feel. I have used Bootstrap for building the UI, as well as I have used data table to show the search result. I have given limit to all the SOQL to 1000 so that it won't break. I have used data table because they have the feature of pagination. Now I will send one email for testing. You can see separate email is going for different company. Please note I have checked the CC list for duplication as Salesforce does not do a check on duplicate email addresses and it counted. I will show you during code walkthrough. You can see the email reached to recipient email box. I have BCC'd the sender of the email. And you can see the activity is reported for the account. I have created one custom object to store the referral details and created a report to get a view on the referral. As well as I have created a tab for the custom object. User can create a view on their own and can see the report or result. You can see a link is given for the internal user to access the account. Now coming to the code, I have used the controller extension to achieve the functionality. In the send email functionality, I have checked the email for duplicity. As well as checked the number of email is going out. I have used VF remoting for the type ahead functionality. All the SOQL has limits. Contact is searched by first name, last name and email. In the test classes, I have used test. Start and stop along with system. Assert. The code coverage is 96%. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.